How to install wheel spacers on a 2016 1.4 Jetta SE vehicle. Scrub your wheel hub. Make it smooth. Your wheel, scrub that as well, make it smooth. Why not? I use this wire brush to scrub good. I'm using titanium bolts. They told me that I have to use a wire brush to remove all the zinc from in there to make sure my titanium steel bolts work to the maximum. Once you lift up the car, use a floor jack, scissor jack, whatever you want. Safety first, use a use jack stands. Once you scrub, once you make it all smooth and good, just put that zombie in there, just like so. You know what I mean? I have an OCD, I gotta have it straight, even though it doesn't matter. You can do it like that. Or in my case, I think I'm gonna just go like this and just put them in there, line them up, and then it's easier for when I'm mounting rather than the wheel spacer moving around freely. And I think that's it. So quick review. Lift the car, jack stands, scrub hub, scrub your wheel, install wheel spacers like so, or install them like this, so for when you're mounting them. I don't know, this video is not the best, but it gives you guys a brief description on how to install them and stuff. For my vehicle, my hub clearance is 12 millimeters in the back, 11 in the front. Before ordering your wheel spacers, make sure you know your hub clearance. Your hub clearance is that right there, because that sits like that. Well, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's not the best, but it gives you guys a summary of this. Or I got nothing.